But as you can see from the background, we have multiple cars. They don't have garage door opener capability in them. Welcome to the Full Octane Garage. Are you tired of these big bulky remotes for your garage door, or do you just not have enough of them? Well, we found a solution on Amazon for about 20 bucks. You can get 2 of these little keychain remotes, and they have 4 buttons each, where your traditional remote has 1 or 3 buttons maybe. This particular remote will work with all of the major ones, which are, purple, yellow, green. You'll see the color of the button on your garage door opener is a key to what frequency it uses. And these little remotes, they have 4 button options, and they come with instructions on how to program it depending on what color you have. So if you have a purple button, you may have to do a certain sequence of button presses before it's able to sync up with that particular garage door. And I like the fact that these tie to a keychain. They're very small, and you can actually cover the buttons up with this cover here, so if you don't want to accidentally open a door. But as you can see from the background, we have multiple cars. They don't have garage door opener capability in them. So what we're going to do is we're going to get one of these for each of the cars, keep it in the car, and it'll open a couple of garage doors. We have 5 garage door openers around the property. Some of them use different frequencies. So this is the key solution to be able to open all of the doors with one remote, all for about 10 bucks a piece. We also keep one on our side-by-side. We keep one on our tractor so that as we go around the property, we can open any door we want. Now, we do have Liftmaster doors and a couple of them that we could open them up with our phone, which is kind of nice. But then we also have a couple of older garage door openers that we haven't wanted to replace yet. So while we're in between openers, this is the best solution that we've found. We'll have some links on Amazon to purchase these, and we'll do another video on the programming instructions. So thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. And also use our affiliate links. That also helps us keep the channel going. So again, thanks for being with us. Come back and see us often.